Welcome to our bedroom cleanup tutorial. Let's clean your bedroom to perfection. You'll need a few items: cleaning spray, wipes, and a vacuum cleaner. Start by clearing out the room. Remove everything: bed sheets, duvet, books, clothes, and especially any garbage or leftover food packages. Now armed with your cleaning spray and wipes, it's time to make those surfaces shine. Thoroughly spray and wipe down your shelves, desk, and windowsill, ensuring they're free of dust and stains. Next, let's focus on vacuuming. Turn on your vacuum cleaner and meticulously clean the entire floor, especially under the desk and bed and in all the corners. It's important to get those often missed spots. Before you leave the room, close the window to keep the clean area dust-free. Leave all cupboard drawers open to air them out and prevent any odors. Don't overlook the trash. Ensure all garbage is taken out to the nearest bin outside your unit. Lastly, don't forget to return any plates and utensils you borrowed from Coleman Commons. There you have it, a bedroom that's not just clean but meticulously maintained, ready for the next resident. Thank you for doing your part in keeping our UTM residences in top condition.